This tiny golden spoon could change your health forever if you use it right way. But here is the thing. Most people are doing it wrong. Let's fix that today. In the next few minutes, we will uncover the powerful science behind turmeric, how it works inside your body, the secret to boosting its absorption, easy ways to add it to your daily meals and drinks, and who should avoid it. And yes, we will answer the big question: how long should you actually take it? I'm Dr. T, and welcome in my channel. Turmeric isn't just a kitchen spice. It's a natural medicine chest. Its magic comes from compounds called curcuminoids, especially curcumin. This is the active ingredient that gives the turmeric its golden color and its healing power. Scientific studies show curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and a powerful antioxidant. It can help reduce joint pain, improve digestion, support your immune system, and even protect your brain from aging. Inflammation is like a tiny fire inside your body. Sometimes you need it. It helps you heal from injury, but when it stays for too long, it damages your tissues and accelerates aging. Curcumin works like a firefighter, calming this fire down before it burns your health. It's been studied for joint health. It reduces pain and stiffness in arthritis. And if we talk about heart health, it lowers the oxidative stress and improving blood vessels function. And when we talk about brain health, it increases BDNF, a brain growth factor which may help memory. And finally, if we talk about gut health, it's great for calming inflammatory bowel symptoms. Here is the catch. Curcumin is poorly absorbed in the body. You could eat a whole tablespoon of turmeric and still get very little benefit. The solution is in black pepper. It contains pepperin, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. And one more tip, curcumin is fat soluble, meaning it needs healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or ghee, or just milk to get absorbed better. Let's talk about some easy ways to use turmeric at home. First of all, you can use golden milk or turmeric latte. Warm some milk, dairy or plant-based, and then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon, honey to taste. Drink at night for relaxation and inflammation control. Another way we can use turmeric at home is turmeric tea. Boil water with ginger slices and then add half teaspoon of turmeric and black pepper. Squeeze a lemon and you can add honey, optional for sweetness. The third way we can use turmeric at home is in cooking. Cooking with turmeric. You can add it to soups, stews, curries, roasted vegetables, or scrambled eggs. Always combine with pepper and a bite of healthy fat. The last way you can use at home is in morning smoothies. Add banana and almond milk, turmeric, black pepper, and chia seeds. And enjoying every morning. It tastes yummy. For general wellness, half to 1 teaspoon daily in food is safe for most people. If using supplements, the clinical studies often use 500 to 1000 milligram curcumin extract per day. But always follow your doctor's advice. Benefits often appear after 4 to 8 weeks of regular use, so consistency is the key. Turmeric is natural, but not for everyone. Avoid or consult your doctor if you are pregnant in large supplemental doses, and if you have gallstones or bile duct obstruction, and also if you take blood thinners, and if you have stomach ulcers or severe acid reflux. Also, take care if you are scheduled for surgery. You have to stop turmeric intake 2 weeks before. Turmeric is not a magic overnight cure, but used correctly With black pepper, healthy fats, and consistency, it can be a powerful ally for your joints, heart, brain, and immune system. Remember, your health is built daily, one small golden spoon at a time. So, are you ready to turn your kitchen into your personal pharmacy? Hit like button if you learned something new. Share this with a friend who needs a golden health boost. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based wellness tips. Your health journey starts now.